There she is. So I'm off for goodbye drinks with a couple of work people. So this is the final time I might see them. And before I do that, I'm going to go along to my thrift honey hole, which is on the way. And I'm going to take my new car there for the first time. And hopefully it's my lucky charm and we can fill it up with stuff in the back. So it's quite a busy car park. There's quite a lot of people here. Let's go have a look. There's not a lot of furniture today. It's not a bad price, £30 for the whole piece. Not something that I would usually paint. Well, not something I'd paint it if I wanted it. I just don't want it. If it's old, it can get painted. Okay. The pictures have been completely ransacked. Hopefully that means there's more coming. Table for £5. Oh, it's a teeny beanie baby. I thought it was like some weird vintage bird. Nothing there. The picture's quite interesting, that one. Not for 30 though, too much for me. I like the scary dolls. Let's have a look in Lamp World. See if there's anything good here. I think lamps could have a good markup if you can do something with the shades or something, but there's not a lot here today. No shapes that I can't live without. I'd use that as some sort of wooden base, and the pot before, I bet you a lot of my American friends would be saying to buy it, but it's just not something that sells over here. Nothing in that row. Let's have a look at this one.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know, if you're gonna leave me, then just do it.
That one's quite nice. I could be tempted to buy that for myself. I like the people, but I don't think I've got a use for it. So this is where there would normally be lots of furniture, but they've been trying to clear out all their clothing recently.
Let's be honest for a second. 'cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough. You said you love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah, don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it.
Another one of them sets.
Just do it. Don't need you here to say don't be gentle. I just gotta know if you're gonna
Really nice and heavy with some good crazing, some staining on it, but it's a bit of a yellow colour rather than a white. Well, she didn't bring us any luck today, this car. She didn't get a single item put in her from there. I think it's just because all the kids are off school at the moment, so I just think everyone's just taking their kids there as just like a cheap day out. You know, they get to buy some junk and, you know, they're entertained for a couple of hours, and the adults get to mooch and the kids get to mooch and everyone's happy. But it's really eaten into the stuff that I'd normally pick up. And also in the video there was that huge section of clothes which I just don't even look at. That's normally filled with furniture, so that's normally where a lot of the things that I'm looking for are. So all of that space not being there just means that the mass majority of furniture just isn't there for the moment. So I'm hoping that when the kids bugger off back to school, then we'll be able to find some more good stuff. So if these thrift store videos are a little bit underwhelming, please do stick with me until I can find some more exciting stuff. And I am also looking for some new little holes as well to go and have a look around in. But now I'm off for my drinks, so a large wine will be waiting for me. So I'm just editing this video and I realised that I didn't sign it off. I didn't find anything, but that doesn't mean that we won't find treasure next time, so I hope that you'll stick with me. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to let me know down in the comments box below whether there was anything that I missed that I should have picked up. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.